Hello guys, guess where I'm at? I'm at Ranka, a restaurant called Salty Karaoke Bar and Restaurant. It is situated in Sikkim, Ranka, Barbing. So we have, parking vehicles, parking for private vehicles or for tourists and all. So here's the main gate. Let me remind you and say it again. It's situated in Ranka, Sikkim. The name of the restaurant and bar and cum lodge is Salty. Salty as in a friend. In Nepali, Salty. In English, Salty means friend. So here we are inside. This beautiful. Quite lighting is very damn beautiful. So here we have receptions and there's lots of liquor. Soda, Bacardi. I don't know if Jack is available or not, but what 69 is available. Jack Daniels is also available. Have you got Hennessy? Hennessy, sir? Hennessy? Hennessy. So we don't have Hennessy, but Jack will do. And here we have some washroom, I guess. Is a private cabin for family or for couples. And right there is our owner of this beautiful hotel. And right here is places, is chairs and decks for wine and dine, for wining and dining. And right from the window of this restaurant, right from the window of this compound, we can see the capital of Sikkim, which is Gantok. It looks damn beautiful at night. So the view is quite impressive. Just look at it. So bear with me. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna show you what's upstairs. Okay? And here we have some antique telephones, antique water bottles, fan, seamless kitchen, and यहाँ तल पनि छ तल छैन तल चाहिँ ए हो सो माथि भनेपछि लजिङ हो लक नै होला है एकछिन टच बालेर उयो गरौँ हुन्छ सो right downstairs is an apartment for the owners to stay. So if you go up the stairs, we are gonna find room, room in which you can stay with your family, couple, specific for boyfriend and girlfriend. So here we go. So this, I don't know, this leads to the terrace, I guess. So room number 505, I don't know how the room inside is, but I guess let me check it out. I think there's no light. There's no light. So here we have a room, one bedroom, and then another one. It's all locked. So we have lodges for total around it's quite nice here in Salty Hotel. LCD TV. Here's the Godrej. Let me just arrange my hair. And here's a leather sofa, and the beds are damn beautiful. So I'm gonna turn off the light because I don't wanna, trespass. This is even an attached bathroom. Let's see the bathroom first. So all the Western bathroom, but no hot tub and shower is okay. Bathroom is clean. That's all the tourist needs. And up right here, which is locked, the gate is locked. I guess up there is a place where you can dry up your clothes, laundries and all. And here's a beautiful window design. And right there, again, I'm showing you the capital of Sikkim, India. Just look at this view, ain't it beautiful? You can, savor and look at the view of the capital town of Gangtok, capital of Sikkim, from Rangka. It's so damn good and so damn mesmerizing to watch. And here we have some traditional mura. That right there is called doko. It's used by Nepali people to carry, stuffs and all. So right down there is an apartment for the owner of this, establishment. Right down there, they're gonna, the owner and the husband sleeps downstairs. We have one karaoke and all. Look at the lighting, ain't it beautiful? It's so damn beautiful. My feedback,
Can you guess which
I
one is
give-
the most expensive drink here?
I give 7 out of 10, I guess. Not 7, 7.5.
Can you guess which one is the costly mango
Costly.
drinks? Which one?
Let's take a look at this. I think it's Bacardi. Not Bacardi, but
Black dog is there.
Black
It's
Dog,
not
I
black.
know.
Actually, that's what.
what?
Zimil.
69 teachers
Zimil.
and Jack Daniels.
Zimil.
Morphosis. I think Jack is the
No. It's Jim Beam. That one is.
That one
over
carry.
all of them. Some of the mango drinks. And second comes Black Dog.
Jim Beam is the most
Yeah, Jim Beam is the
expensive.
most expensive. It's
And-
lower.
Blender Sprite is not. Jack Daniels comes second. No, then comes Black Dog. Then comes Red 69. So there's hookah also. Wow, I didn't notice there was a hookah. Just look at this beautiful, beautiful establishment situated at Rangka. Please do and commit. Please do and visit this place. You won't regret it. It's worth it. It's worth the pay.
Chill, Kansas.
No chill. They are having breakfast.
Chill.
They are having,
Toast.
beer. But I'm sober for like
Toast, man.
6 to 7 years. So I don't wanna. I hate the smell of.
Soya, toast.
Okay. Cheers to. Cheers to. What? Cheers to successful life for you all.
Not cheers to the drinkers.
Cheers to
Cheers
the drinkers. Okay, bye guys. This is it. I guess I've showed you all the interiors and exteriors of this establishment. Okay, guys, please do and visit this place situated in Rangka, Sikkim. The name of the restaurant is Salty Hotel.